go, 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 yeah. Oh, see you there. What's good, Charge Go family? We in beautiful Southern California, Los Angeles, Malibu to be exact. We got a special program on for you guys today, man. We are going to be removing the front license plate super mount. Is that what it's called?
It's called super ugly.
Super ugly. So first thing you're going to need to do this, and this is so you guys can do this when you get your Model S Plaids, because we all getting there, baby. First thing you're going to need, boom, show it to them. Glide.
You sponsored by
No
Glide?
sponsor. If they don't sponsor us, we're blurring it. We're gonna re-upload the video and blur it. Whip it out. Whip it out, boys. Now watch closely what I'm gonna do here. This isn't play around. You don't play around with something like this. It's serious. Now look, I'm going to slide it behind the bumper.
What if it breaks?
See, that's the thing. We don't worry on this channel.
That's true.
Matter of fact, glasses off for this.
Okay.
Like I said, serious. Now look, I'm gonna pull away as I floss. Now this is something Mr. Charge Go never does. He has actually never used dental floss in his life.
Or brush my
So
teeth.
he's mad confused as he saw me pull this out. Okay.
You gotta use some force. And if it rips, you might just have to double it.
God. See, bro, you spoke it into existence.
You're gonna have to double it.
Dog, we should have done the fishing line. Why don't we just do the damn fishing line?
I know, we're by
Guys,
the ocean right now, man.
You may want to do fishing line for this if you don't want to use floss.
You definitely should use fishing line, but if you don't have it, you can use floss. You gotta double it up.
You gotta double it up.
Or maybe even
Guys,
triple.
Another tip, never just let your homies just tell you what you gotta do, okay? You know, don't even listen, especially if they don't even floss their teeth. Oh yeah, I gotta, oh, the double up is good though. Guys, make sure to double. Okay, it's starting to budge a little bit though. I'm gonna start from the other side now. Come on, get this side.
Such a moron.
In fact, bro, I'm about to triple it.
You should.
Ooh, it smells good.
Just
Mickey.
do as many as, like, fold as many times as you can. I guess that should work. Honestly, I would pull a front plate too at the same time.
Yeah, I'm trying to pull, but then like I don't want to put too much force because then this shit just rips. Okay, I think it's making some progress though.
You need some friction, some heat.
Ah, okay, it's going a little.
Oh, really? Yeah, guys, so if you keep this on your car, you're a bum. Thing's ugly.
No swag.
No swag.
You think you're gonna pull females with this thing on the front?
Probably not.
Tell them why this thing is on the front, or like why they left it on and it's not on all the other ones.
Yeah, so apparently when they did the crash rate testings or whatever, I guess they might have accidentally had the front plate mount thing on the car. So by law, they just have to put it on every single car produced. So Tesla kind of screwed up on that one.
It's starting to hurt my hands.
That's not my problem.
Ugh.
Hey guys, so if this doesn't work in a minute, we're probably just gonna pull it off the car with brute force.
It's doing something. Yeah, it's doing a little bit. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, let me try.
You on track? Yeah, we'll switch. My hands are starting to fatigue. All right, here we
Can
go.
we not reuse these ones?
No, they're all like sandy now. They're gonna scratch.
No, it's not sandy, dog. There's no sand on it.
Oh yeah, there's not sand on the beach. This guy doesn't know. Watch closely to see his technique. Hey, patience.
All right, so where we at?
All right, man, we almost there. We are almost in the clear.
Honestly, guys, floss will work if you're pulling it at the same time, but it's literally just adhesive.
Oh, shit. Should I just pull?
Yeah, just pull it off, bro. It's gonna come off.
All right.
So that's the damage behind that. So yeah, we could throw that in the ocean, right?
Yes, sir. We gotta bury it. But now, all right, not gonna lie. You on your own using floss is not gonna be the most effective. But when Charge Go was pulling it out and I was flossing, then it was really cutting through. You gotta have like a little stretch to it. But the floss gotta start it.
Yeah. So now we gotta get the adhesive off and then
All right.
we'll be rolling.
Where's my backpack? Alright, now watch the technique, bozos. You don't want to just scratch at it. Super ineffective. Boom. Give her a little rub to, oh, it's kind of wet. It's kind of wet. Oh, man. Give her a nice little, ooh. Oh, see, now I got what we like in the science community like to call friction.
Why are you fingering your car like that?
Oh, wait, you see it? You see how it's starting to roll?
Yeah.
And then you just take it and...
No, you just got to roll it all the way.
It rips apart. Yep, now I know. See, guys, it's all about being a work in progress, you know? You know what a Guthrie transition is?
No.
Oh, my bad. It's just straight in the face. My bad.
The things you do for the people, man.
For real, bro.
Teaching them how to take off adhesive from a car.
Out here taking apart my car, bro.
See,
I do it all for the viewers.
See, y'all,
bro.
we're saving money. We're not getting no Goo Gone or none of that. We're using our finger.
Exactly.
We just saved, what, $5?
Yeah, bro. And
now
imagine we could invest that $5 into, bro. See?
Exactly.
You gotta
in 100 years, it could be worth $200.
That's true. Or you could get, you could also get 20 gumballs, and then sell them each for $1. Business idea right there.
Or you could get a few cheeseburgers from McDonald's.
Yeah.
For off the dollar menu.
Yeah, exactly. They gotta bring the dollar menu back, bro. You know it's gone. I think
it's really gone.
I don't think there's a dollar menu no more, bro. Everything's so expensive now.
That's true. Kind of sucks.
Okay, guys.
Don't be littering.
To the last straw.
Don't be littering.
No, it's biodegradable. Everything related to Tesla is super environmentally friendly.
True.
So even the goo is biodegradable. Ask Elon.
Are you biodegradable?
Well, yeah, actually, yes. It's called fossils.
Well, I'm actually kind of surprised that it came out looking pretty good. Like,
yeah, it's kind of juicy, bro.
we literally just used our finger.
We could have just finessed and just wipe it off. Like, I have this little... Well, actually, so I'll probably do that.
So we used our finger.
Huh?
We used our finger. We used floss. And that's it. We used our fingers and floss.
What is it? Oh, I thought there was some white on the car. Fingers, floss so far. But I feel like this would be the last little finishing touch. Wait, should I read the directions?
Dude pays $160,000 for a car and uses his fingers and floss. Nice.
Bro, it says pour 1 ounce into clean pail full of heavy jet of water.
Oh, you gotta mix it with water.
Shit, I don't know if this is gonna
Don't you have the spray though?
Yeah, but that's more of like a cleaner. It's not...
Just use a spray. Just use it, the spray.
The spray, alright. Alright, y'all, so you can see with success. Car's looking beautiful. We just got some great photos over here, man. But you know what happens when the Charge Go boys hit the town, man. Look. Look, so yeah, the boys is on us, but at the same time, or they're a security detail. Y'all can decide which one it is, bro. Y'all can decide.
We're getting the Plaid Escort. That's what's happening.
Yeah, it's ooh, that Plaid Escort. Get it? Model Escort.
Escort. There you go.
Hold up. Hold on now. Oh, I rap too, by the way. Oh, and I got a song called Malibu. Check it out.
Tap in.
Ooh, put it in the video.
I will.
Go, 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 go.
Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave.